We've created a new data governance automation framework, which includes a new customizable workflow to certify your data assets as bronze, silver, or gold. Without data certification, data teams can struggle to find the correct, actively used assets with up-to-date documentation. Under the Classification tab, you can see the new certification classification, which defines bronze, silver, and gold levels. Under the Workflows list, you now have customizable certification workflows for both dashboards and tables. Data certification can help users identify which assets follow a certain set of rules, such as having an owner, description, specific tag, or custom property. While tiers are used to define the data asset's importance in the business, the data certification workflow lets us review each asset holistically to see if it's being managed properly. This combination can help identify important assets that are not well managed. Similar to the glossary approval workflow, you can customize the validation rules for each asset that determine if it becomes bronze, silver, or gold, or if it stays uncertified. Moreover, on the configuration panel, you can define when you want to trigger the certification workflow, or if you'd like to run it on demand. After running the workflow, we will automatically classify your data, adding a badge next to the asset name, making it easy for your users to identify if the metadata has been properly curated or not. Let's look at some examples. In this first example, we have a well-managed asset with description, ownership, and tier 1. So we have automatically classified this table as gold. In this other example though, this asset is tagged as tier 2. So this table has been automatically classified as silver. Next, we have this asset that has no tier, but it does have a description and an owner. So we have classified it automatically as bronze. Finally, we have this asset that doesn't follow any of the rules. It does not have a description, it doesn't have an owner, and it doesn't have a tier either. So this asset remains not certified. With automated data certification workflows, you can bring confidence to your governance, ensuring data teams know what assets they can trust. Collate.